In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you delete FPL Draft League. Let's get started. Launch your FPL app or you can navigate to the website. Make sure you are signed into your account. Next, go to the draft section. Navigate to the fantasy tab, then click on the option draft given at the top right. Tap on leagues to see all the draft leagues you have joined. Now here's the important part. If you're just a participant, you can't delete the league, but you can choose to leave it instead. If you are the league creator admin, you'll have option to delete the draft league. To do this, select the league you created. Then go to admin options, scroll down and you will see delete league, tap on it and confirm. Once deleted, the league is removed permanently and cannot be recovered. So make sure before confirming. If you only want to leave a league as a participant, simply select the league, tap leave league and confirm, and that's it. That's how you delete or leave an FPL draft league in just few steps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.